Wow. So now the apple pastries are ready. Remember how we did them, and it's so simple. You only need 2 ingredients, apples and pastry. So I know that you can also add in cinnamon, right? You could glaze the apple with, sprinkle with cinnamon before you wrap it around with the pastry. So that's what I didn't do. But anyway, look how they've turned out. And so they are absolutely so simple, so easy to make. Let's try them. That's what I look like inside. Delicious. Scrumptious, good, delicious, simple. Very easy to make. And I would recommend anybody who doesn't even know how to cook to try these. Thank you for coming along onto my page. I really appreciate you. Please subscribe to my page for more videos on my YouTube page. And I just want to thank you again. Okay, we'll see you next time on my YouTube videos. Don't forget to click on my links that are below the video, above the video, and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Lily.